Let's see how to install VS Code. Open the browser and search for Visual Studio Code. This page will open up and click on download. So here Windows, Linux, Mac. In my case it is Windows, so click on Windows. Now the downloading automatically starts. Once installed, click on the folder. Now click on I accept the agreement and next. You can click on next, otherwise change the location. I'm changing to D and again click on next. Click on create a desktop icon if you want icon on desktop and click on next. Install. Now wait until the process is complete. Now click on finish. VS Code will open. So this is the VS Code interface. Now to open folder, here click on file and click open folder. So now here we have to create a folder. So you can create a folder in C drive or a D drive also. Here I am going to create on desktop. So new and folder. So here I am just going to give a name like VS2TUT and enter. Now close this. And here desktop we can see that VS2 select folder. So now you can see the folder is selected and click on the file, and here you can type anything. I'm just typing hi dot. So here you have to give extension, that is Java, or if you want Python .py. So here Java, so .java. So in the below I have some recommendations, that is extension pack for Java. So I will explain it about later. Now let's type a simple code. Here the class name should be as the file name. So class hi. Now to run this code, click on new terminal and now here you have to type Java space hi dot Java. So here you can see class has been created. So when you click on it, the file is unsupported. So here again type now Java space hi dot Java. So now the output is displayed as hi, so it is correct. Similarly, you can run the code by clicking on run and here start debugging. Actually it telling that we don't have an extension for debugging, so that we have to install the extension. So I'm clicking on find Java extension. So in the left corner you can see many options are available for Java extensions. So but look for popular extension for Java. So now click on install. So here you can see extension pack of 7. So these are the sub extension. IntelliCode language support for Java by Red Hat, debugger, Maven, test runner, etc. So once the extension pack was installed, so the page was open like to install JDK, but we have already set up JDK, so I'm just closing it. Now click on Explorer and go to the file hi.java. Now you can run using the start debugging. So it's loading, just importing the project. So let's wait. So here it is, the output is hi, it is correct. So now let's try run without debugging. So click on run and run without debugging. So again it displayed the correct output high. So you can also run by using the run button on the right side corner. So again the output is high. Now click on the run and debug to compile and execute the code. So click on run and debug. So again the output is high. Now the last one but not the least, by right clicking on the screen it will be displayed like this, and choose run Java. Again the output is high. So again do the same process but search for debug Java. Click on it. So now the output is high. So there are so many ways to run and execute the code. Finally, in this video we have learned the basic things. If you want to know about in detail, just comment below. So until then, thank you for watching.